Next is decomposition. Second components. First is productivity. So decomposition, I know you are aware of this terminology. It is a process of breakdown of substance into its simplest form. So no need to write down definition. Or tell me, what is the importance of decomposition? What is the significance of decomposition is that during decomposition, what happened, nutrients is released. So these nutrients are available to the plants for its growth. Okay, so it involves release of nutrients from dead organic matter and these nutrients are available to plants for its growth. So this is the importance of decomposition. Now what are the mechanism of decomposition? First is decomposition is aerobic process. Okay, write down here. Decomposition is aerobic process. Oxygen is required. Now come to mechanism. So what are the process for the decomposition? First is fragmentation, humidification, mineralization. Okay, first we will discuss mechanism. So what happened? Fresh leaves, we are taking example, falls from trees, undergo fragmentation. Okay, and what it will form? Detritus. Okay, fresh leaves, what these fresh leaves are break down into smaller fragments and it is converted into detritus, and this process is known as fragmentation. Now what happened after fragmentation? These detritus, what do you mean by the term detritus? Dead remains of plants and animals are called detritus. Now this detritus is converted into humus. So it is known as humification. It is known as humification. So what is humus? It is a dark color colloidal substance and is resistant to microbial action and it release minerals very slowly. Humification क्या होता है? Process by which detritus converted into dark color amorphous substance known as humus. Okay, so ह्यूमिफिकेशन क्या होता है? जब डेट्राइटिस जो है कन्वर्ट होता है डार्क कलर अमॉर्फस सब्सटेंस को, जिसको हम लोग ह्यूमस कहते हैं, ठीक है। और ह्यूमस जो रहता है इट इज़ रेजिस्टेंट टू माइक्रोबियल एक्शन। नेक्स्ट, next is mineral formation. So after humidification mineralization takes place. Okay. Mineral. In mineral what happen? What is released? Inorganic substance such as calcium, magnesium, potassium and ammonium. Okay. Write down here mineralization. So this is mineralization, fragmentation, humidification, mineralization. Now what happened during all these process? One more thing, catabolism process also takes place. What do you mean by the term catabolism? It is carried by decomposers. Okay, so catabolism is a breakdown reaction. It's a breakdown reaction. ये mechanism में आता है breakdown reaction. Fresh leaves is converted into detritus. Detritus converted to humus. So these all processes are catabolism. Okay, and next is leaching. Leaching also takes place. What do you mean by the term leaching? What happens when the nutrients are released? So what happened during rain? What happened? They get dissolved in water and it percolates through soil. Okay. So what do you mean by leaching? Precipitation of mineral. Precipitation of precipitations of mineral in soil during percolation. It is percolation. Okay. So what happened? These when the minerals get percolated, these minerals are not available to the plant. So leaching is not good process. Okay, but the humus is good process. Next is we will discuss what do you mean by the term humus. सो कैटाबॉलिज्म ये पूरे प्रोसेस में आएगा. लीचिंग भी कब होता है? जब न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो रहता है जब फॉर्म हुआ वो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व हो जाएगा और परकुलेट हो जाता है थ्रू सॉइल. ठीक है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? लीचिंग. एंड व्हाट यू मीन बाय द टर्म ह्यूमस? इट इज़ अ डार्क कलर्ड colloidal substance. Okay. Second, resistant to microbial action. And what else? Release minerals very slowly. obviously when the minerals are released very slowly, it will be absorbed by plants, because leaching process is also taking place. Okay, so that's if the क्या कहते हैं, minerals are released very slowly, it will be taken by plants, and during leaching what happens, the soil get precipitated, the minerals get precipitated and it is percolated through soil, it is not available to the plants. That's why if the minerals are released very slowly, it will be available to the plants. Now next is what? Factors. What are the factors which are affecting the decomposition? Factors affecting decomposition. Okay, now first factor is composition. So in composition what happen, if sugar there are two types of components, lignin and you can say cutin, and another is sugar or nitrogenous rich substance. Okay, two types of substance. Now tell in which the process will takes place fast. In this, when the composition is sugar or nitrogen, the process will be the fast process. Okay, and lignin and cutin, slow decomposition will takes place. Okay, and what else? Temperature. Okay, temperature and moisture. So optimum temperature and sufficient moisture will be there, so it will be the fast. Optimum temperature and sufficient moisture, what will happen? The process will be fast. And if there will be availability of oxygen, obviously decomposition will be faster. In icy and snowy area what happen? The decomposition will be very slow, because enzymes are not active, it's a enzymatic process. Okay, so this is all about the decomposition. So we have studied importance. What is decomposition? Importance: it is aerobic process. Mechanism: fragmentation is involved, humification, mineralization, volume catabolism, leaching, volume humus, and factor. So this is all about the decomposition.